viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write the people of India in English. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. First is Assamese. Next is Bengali. Next is Bihari. Next is Bohri. Next is Bhil. Next, Christian. Next is Dogri. Next is Bhojpuriya. Next is Gujarati. Next is Gorkha. Next is Haryanvi. Next is Himachali. Next, Kashmiri. Next is Kannada. Next, Kulu. Next, Kathiawadi. Next is Koli. Next, Marwadi. Next is Malayali. Next, Maratha. Next, Manipuri. Next is Mizo. Next is Muslim. Next, Malvi. Next is Madrasi. Next, Naga. Next is Odia. Next is Punjabi. Next is Sikkimis. Next, Sindhi. Next is Tamil. Next, Telugu. Next is Tripuri. Next, Pahadi. Next is Parsi. Next is Maithili. Next, Tuluva. Next is Konkani. Next, Kannoji. Next is Bundeli.